All right. How's everybody doing? Welcome to the stream. Uh, we are doing pretty well. We are doing pretty well when it comes to production. We still have like a week and a half to go. It's Wednesday, my dudes. It's Wednesday? Or is it? It's Thursday. It's Thursday! But yeah, it's Thursday, so we still have like this couple of days and then the whole week next week, and that's it for the jam. It's been a whole ass month, and the game it's almost done. Actually, it's feature complete. As you can Thursday. Thank you. So yeah, how you doing? Welcome, Retro Toby. And as I was saying, the game is doing pretty well. It's like the progress. Let's see an overview. So we're 83% of what we define to be a percentage of the production. Code and design has no to-do task, only doing. The rest is done, and some have been properly deprecated. But we have a couple of to-dos on art that Funky and Pencil are working on, and music. It's almost done actually, but I believe Entropy. I'm calling them Ionode. They used to name themselves that on chat. Uh, they've done a great job with the music, and I don't think we're gonna need like too many changes here. So this is probably higher number when it comes to that. But we have this like what I'm getting today is the cleanup frames for Hip, the rabbit character, and I'm gonna implement them on stream. And then it's just following up with my own Trello here, where I have the a to do list with some bugs and some tweaks I want to do. Check out this done list. It's so feels so good. So how you doing, Retro? Are you also working at splendid progress? I see. Thank you. Yes, very happy about that. Are you also working on a game for the fighting game jam, or are you just like a casual uh, viewer or coming from elsewhere? So here's the game as it stands now. While you tell me a bit more about what you're doing, I am sadly not in the jam, and I am a noob artist. Oh, voice actor. Oh, cool. What kind of voice acting? Feel free. I think you can drop. Yeah, I'm sad that I'm not on a team, but still, drop a link to your stuff. I believe you can put links on chat without an issue. Now you don't have to be like a streamer to do that, but you have a portfolio or something, just link it, show it. It's fine. And but yeah, the game right now, as it stands, you're probably gonna be able to hear some of it. Here's what the game is. I already named the build. Oh, you're gonna see it because you have the scrolling text. Give me a minute. Where's it? Like, yeah, you can see like down here. You have like the name of the build. It's gonna be build 10. It's gonna come out today, and you're gonna be able to play it on itch. So here's what we are right now. We have settings now. Like, you can stop the music. You can turn it back on. You can shut up the SFX. Same thing with, and you can change the number of stocks and CPU level for the game. And I'm gonna show you a couple of cool things too. I haven't worked on any actual projects either, but I've been working on tests with my setup. I'm told by another FGC Discord member that if they ever have money to pay voice actors, I'm gonna be on the list of theirs. Cool, 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 cool. Do you have anything about your voice acting work? Feel free to share it. Or just, if you're on the FGC Dev Discord, just send me a DM with that stuff. I don't think we're gonna use voice acting for this game, but hey, sure. Post it here, post it on chat. Even though it's not gonna, yeah. Even though it's not gonna be like a lot of traffic here, but it's still something. Just promote yourself, show your stuff. So again, here's where Hip. This is Hip. This is the character we're gonna get the cleanup frames for today. I'm probably gonna implement the palettes and stuff like that. So that's gonna be cool. We're gonna make it to what's the I mean, we already did, but we're gonna have it more finished. What is actually needed for the game jam? The game jam asked for 2 playable characters. We have 5 actually. Technically, we have 5. 4 if you consider the ones that actually have special moves. But we're gonna have 2 cleaned up and finished characters. It's gonna be Eye and Hip. I don't think we're gonna make it to Frevo. Probably Frevo's gonna get like the rough animation, like the one that Hip has right now. I don't think Palm is gonna have anything. And Jazz probably gonna get, she's gonna get deprecated and not appear on the final build because she's just a still image and doesn't have much going on for her right now. That's part of the process, part of rescoping while you're making the game. So here's the cool thing. I changed the arena selection. It now has like those little GIFs showing you what to expect on the level, right? And I changed the names because make them be a bit more on brand. So it's like chill for a level that has no extra flavor or anything. It's just platforms. Sway is the one that has like the moving back and forth platforms. And then you have Slide, which is the one with the conveyor belts, right? So one of the cool things that are doing it, I'm going to show you also like another track that Entropy did. Here's a. Oh, you folks haven't seen the after image effect that I added too. Instead of the star trail that we used to have, now it's a now it's an after image, and you also have like this little flash when you're fully charged, so you know when to so you know when to release. And another cool thing is, give me a minute, just pay attention to the music and check this out. Oh, the symbol is when you're charging, sorry. So check this out. So it's a low pass. Oh, what the heck? Oh, thank you. Okay, somehow I can copy media links in Discord. I got the link to the web file. Oh, I don't think you can put a media link. Yeah. I posted it in a text channel, if that's okay. Sure. But yeah, go for it on Discord. Oh, the whole last link. Cool. Let me see if I can see it. Oh, it downloaded the thing. Cool. Yeah, I'm gonna pick it up after the stream if that's okay. But thanks for sending it by. Apparently, I downloaded a WAV file, so it worked. Now I have a huge virus on my computer, and that's it. So that's there, and I also want to show you folks like this level. The buttons are better now. I just did the buttons late afternoon yesterday, and it's like, so you press them, they have a little effect, and that way you change the direction of the conveyor belts. Boom, get fucked. And oof, got hit. Yeah, the low pass effect is cool. Makes it like the music is muffled while it's on pause. Conveyor belts, yes. Yeah. So it's like they move you. Oh, what a hit. Oh man, that snapped weirdly. Yeah, sure, that did a weird thing. Okay. So this is where the game. I mean, the game is actually feature complete. It's done actually. Like there's gonna be bugs, of course. There's gonna be polish that needs to be added, and there's like content that we could still be adding. Like I mentioned, the cleanup assets, the rough assets for other characters, or even just start playing around with some stats and whatnot. But it's there. So I'm gonna cut this now. Here, there we go. And I'm gonna show you where I'm gonna be tackling while I'm waiting for the frames. There's a big bug right now that the match does not end properly if an opponent is defeated with a special attack, right? So that's where it is right now. And let me see if I can show it to you. I'm gonna go to settings. gonna stop the music. I'm sorry, Entropy, but it's just I don't want to get annoyed by it. Oh, sorry, it's stocks. There we go. Back versus player. I'm just gonna go to the chill level, and I'm just gonna make him go closer and see. And now I'm soft locked. I cannot move. I cannot like the speed of the game didn't change for the last attack, and now I'm stuck. So I need to find why this is happening and fix it, of course. So the way that an end match effect is triggered is with the collisions. So I'm gonna look it up on the collisions. Collisions. There you go. This little group. So what is triggering the dramatic effect, or why is it being triggered? Let me see. So I know who the dead player is. This is good. I can get this. Where's it hit? So this is how the collisions are being triggered, which is what I'm expecting, which is a hit collides with a hurt, and those two do not belong to the same character. So it registers a hit. Cool. So what does the hit do? I need the match and dramatic finish, but I'm not seeing it. Yet I am hearing the orchestra hit, which is the sound that the game makes on a... Okay, this is not it. Okay, back. The orchestra hit is this one. This noise. Give me a minute. I'll show it to you. Where is it? That's the final hit here. That noise only happens if it's actually the last hit. So that is being perceived properly. So where is it? Match. Give me a minute. Match. All right. Final hit. Where is this being? There. Right on the next one. So sure. Dramatic finish has been triggered. Final hit has been triggered. What is going on with the rest? Between soon. I need the... Do you make the change to the time scale? No. I need somewhere that the time scale... No, I'm not. That's not gonna work for me. So it's like 0.3, was it? 0.3? No. So what I'm looking for is, let's go with final hit. Somewhere in the logic, I am asking the game to change the VFX flags hit. Cool. To change the time scale to point something. I don't remember which one, but I needed to change in order to make, again, the dramatic ending. I'm just gonna play it out as it should do. I'm gonna go into settings and I'm gonna change the stock to 1. Player. I'm gonna... Sorry again. There we go. I'm gonna go with chill. Okay. See, that's the normal reaction. This is what we expect to happen. But if I do it with a special, it will not happen. Okay, something is telling me... to the drama fade. What causes the... There's a time scale set, should be somewhere. Where am I setting a time scale? 0.3, where am I setting this? On match end, what triggers match end? Call. If it's not match started, oh, I see. There it is. So I got the aggressor UID. That's it. That's it. So what I'm using is this family, this fam-C, you see, fam characters. This is the whole group of objects that are involved with the visuals of the characters, and in this case also the projectile. So it's not just the characters you see, it's also the visuals of the projectile. So this is where the problem is happening. I am using the aggressor UID, which I register when, there we go, when I pick up from the box hit. Exactly. Do I have... Aggressor UID should be actually box hit. There is a specific value for this character UID. This should be it in a perfect world, because somewhere else in the code I'm already picking up on the... I'm already picking up a value called character UID for the hitbox that picks up from the character that spawns whatever. If it's a projectile, it's a projectile. If it's the character animation, it's the character animation. I shouldn't care. I'm going to test this out. If that change didn't break the expected behavior that was already working on a normal hit. So, okay, this is working. And now with a rematch, we're going to try to defeat them with the special. Let's see. Ah, I think we're good. Yes. And I'm gonna change the punk because the other character that has this is Frevo. I'm just gonna go with this. I want to try that. So Frevo has a projectile, like a fake projectile, but a projectile nonetheless, which is his tongue. Kind of works like a Yoshi. Beep. And it worked. All right. So that bug should be out of the way already. I'm gonna go back and I'm gonna say this bug is down. All right, that's progress. Actually, that's a lot of progress. So let's go back to, let's see where we are at. This is something that okay, so Frevo's tongue doesn't hit if it goes through you. Yes, that was a weird bug. I'm gonna look it up. Palm special gets you floating endlessly up when making a hit on special. That's another one. Let's see. Yeah, this is something. Tweaks are something that are low priority right now. I'm gonna first start to fix bugs. Don't let players cancel or keep picking color after ready. This is on character select screen. I'm gonna be more thorough about this. If it's car select screen. It's a problem that shouldn't be much of a problem, because once you finish picking up a character, right now you can still just move things around with the color selection, and you can cancel it at any time, even though the system is already setting up for you to go to the next screen. This is like a nuanced fix that I have to do, and it's not that terrible. This bad boy for sure is big. So it's a palm special, gets you floating endlessly up when making hit on special. The expected behavior should be that on hit, palm should just bounce out as if she was doing a normal jump. Case in point, I'm going to show you. And it's going to be palm versus palm. Makes sense because it's the character colors. I'm still going to use basic background. Even though she's just a single frame, you can still see her stuff. It's like, and you notice that she like floats slowly down. And the problem happens here. I'm still holding it. And if I don't release it, I'm going to keep on floating. I released and then I fell. That's the thing. So this is not a problem for a player unless they want to troll. This is a problem for the CPU because right now the CPU, and that is something that I should do. This is also a tweak that I need. CPU AI should also do special button release. Because right now the only character that has a release effect is Palm. It's like hold, release. Right now she's the only one doing it. Funky's original idea was that Eyes special was also hold, and the longer you held, the bigger or stronger the little jump you do and the projectile is. Right now it's just single press. Having it be nuanced could be cool. I don't think there's enough design space for that, as in it will make much of a difference, but it's not hard to try it. And I'm actually going to write it down as a tweak, honestly. It's tweak. Eyes special should have a hold release effect. There we go. And let's talk about palm, because the idea is that you shouldn't even float if you're like you should just bounce like I just did, because I released the button. And so the way I see it is, where is the, I know it's a vector y and minus, of course it's minus because I wanted to jump. Okay, here. This is it. I'm not changing the state. I should change the state to jump, if I'm being honest. So actor, no, it's set state to jump. The player is fam actors UID and the state is state. Oof, I don't know which side I'm on. That's, I should be able to pick that up though. I kind of complicated myself with a specific side state, but I'm gonna leave it as right first. I can force this and just, I can force a release. This is not necessarily a good idea, but it's input special release. Player is fam actor UID. So I'm gonna act as a release, as a forceful special release, and as a vector. Let's see if that checks out. This might be weird. I need to fix that bug quickly. Both players picking same character. Quickly leave the UI, the icon on CSS handled. I pick it up. What's good today? Oh, a lot is good. Check this out. Level select has little GIFs showing you what the level is about. And now I'm trying to fix a bug with Palm. I'm gonna mute, sorry. And the idea is that, oof. No, help me out. Damn it. It's still being held. It didn't work. Let me try. I'm just gonna do a forceful. So the problem I'm having is on when Palm lands on another player while doing her special, she still has gravity 0, so she just bounces out. I can even be more forceful now that I think about it. I can do set stats. No, stats. Set base stats. I can be as aggressive as this, actually. Maybe this is going to do the trick. Because the problem I have is Palm has... Her special stats involve gravity 0. Otherwise, her hover will be like parabolic, and I don't want that. I actually want it to be like linear, so there's no gravity. And if there's no gravity, it's not a parabola. It's going to be a like straight line. Muscle memory almost forced me to do something wrong. There we go. My boy hip. Oof, that... Wait. Does she really have that strong jump? I forgot about that. Okay. Alright, it worked. That's what I wanted. Alright. That bug appears to be fixed. Alright. And the way it should work for other characters... Right. So there are things that I'm just gonna play around a little bit against the CPU Palm on just basic level. Oh! Damn. There you go. Get hit. Now, I could actually finish a match against Palm being used by the computer. She's gonna float forever now. Not if I stop her first. Ha ha ha! Oh no, this was a bad idea. She was waiting. She was camping. Quit following me. Shut up. Oh no! Got beat up. Yeah, I want a rematch. Yes! That low pass is so cool. Aye! I saw it, and I fell for it. God damn. Yeah, it definitely is. The spawning thing is something to address, for sure. I'm thinking of options. And a solution that I've been thinking about is I will spawn you on the opposite side of where your opponent is. As in, if I'm here, I'm gonna spawn you on the side that Palm spawned right now. But if I'm on this side, I'll spawn you on where Palm is right now. And I will just base it on that, like spawning you in the farthest place from the opponent. If you're dumb enough to just go towards that, that's on you. There's also a possibility of having her be, or being the opponent more... Damn. Either invincible or something, but I don't know just yet. But it's definitely something I want to address. And I also want to do is like the cursor that shows you where you are, and that, the P1 that appears when you're off screen. I want to, there we go, get fucked. What I want to do is have it just scale depending on how close to the edge you are. If you're too far from the edge, it should just shrink. But as you get closer, it should just grow. It's not that much it doesn't add that much, but it does add a reference. If both players are off screen, you know who is on top, and you can just see if you're gonna get hit. It's odd. The game should be more the camera. There's a chance, not now, not for the jam, that the camera could make some sense to have a vertical panning, as in move vertically. If the action is happening above, just follow it, and that's it. Just this is what sounds nice: the camera or the spawning points I mentioned, but or the scaling of the cursor. I don't know, but and I'm just gonna cut actually. There you go, and yeah, I am thinking about solutions for that. I'm just gonna write it down, like tweak spawn point options to avoid insta spawn kills. Marvel vs. Capcom ass camera. Yeah, I'm gonna write it down. MVC vertical tracking camera? Question mark. I'm gonna put it on backlog because this is not something I think I'm gonna be able to do for the jam, but it's gonna be there. It's something to consider. It's a good definition. Marvel ass camera. All right. So let me see. Palms gets you floating endlessly. This is done. Okay, Frevo's tongue doesn't hit you if it goes through you. There's something weird going on. If it's a projectile, destroy it? No, honestly, no. Messy way to check if it's... Sure, I wrote it down. I'm good with this. Don't, honestly. Now that I think about it, I shouldn't destroy it. I shouldn't destroy it. I'm not gonna. It's not gonna. So the idea behind this is to not have the projectile just stay on screen after you do a hit. They do super jumps in there. I know my Marvel. There's always time for Marvel. When is Marvel? Is always time for Marvel. And with that change I just did, I'm probably gonna be able to see Frevo's tongue on hit, which is something that didn't happen. That bug, man. I'm gonna go with chill. So it's, see? What happened there? What happened there? Okay, I know what happened there. The tongue needs to be a time scale object. Can I get? Yeah. Okay. This is probably gonna need to be a time scale object too. So when things are time scaled, when those hit stop happen, everything that's within this family, the timescale family, gets to freeze. Otherwise, once pom pongs, yeah, once pom pongs. I need the like edit from the famous once Marvel sign. No, what I'm doing, I need Frevo. There we go. Red Frevo is actually pretty cool, and he's just a huge change. See, that should have hit. Oh, wait a minute. I need to do something with the debug stuff. This is something that I'm gonna do, and I need it on basic. It's a... I should have done this ages ago, and it's gonna be debug. It's gonna be a boolean. There we go. And debug is gonna be part of basics. Where it's gonna go? Debug. And what I need to do is I need to put things in debug. I'm going to create a family for debug stuff, which is the hitboxes at first. And for now, I don't think I need anything else, but I'm just going to need these two. So it's fun debug. And what I want to do is debug. When they are created, I need to ask if the boolean of debug is on, you boys are going to be visible. And if it's not, you're going to be invincible. Invisible, not invincible. And I'm going to need a button that debugs, that toggles the debug. So keyboard, so what is 6? Oh, it's a camera. I don't need these. I need this. It's gonna be keyboard. Do I have a 0? Yeah, what is 0? Oh, it's a reset, cool. Do I have a 1? What am I doing with this? What? Oh, also, I'm gonna move this whole ass thing to just the actual debug. There we go. So 9 toggles the. What does this? Oh, this makes them spawn on top of you. 5 changes the. No, 5 is gonna do something else. So 5 is gonna be our debug toggle. And debug. Boolean toggle. Huh. There's another action specifically for toggling? Yes, there is. Will you look at that? Huh. And I'm gonna need an action that is called debug render. And this is gonna do this, which is for each debug boy. Debug. And then paste this. So if it's debug, it's visible. If it's not, it's not. And it's gonna go with render. There we go. If this works properly, I should be able to toggle collision boxes. And I know they're not right. It's like, I know they're not perfect, and I know they don't move around yet. That is something that's gonna take a little while, but I want to do it. So it's okay. It is, but it's behind the character, man. Oh, I know this. Where's this Z? Z, 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 Z. So it's coming behind the character because it's because the characters are constantly checking their Z order, and the collision boxes are not part of the Z order things. So it's gonna be what was it? It's gonna be fam debug layer. I'm gonna move it hard into another layer, which is foreground, which has the same like has the same logic behind the gameplay layer, which is what you actually see in the game. But it forces the effect when like the character is hit. I'm just muting. When the character is hit, there we go. Those are our boxes. Those are not good boxes. Why is that box moving like that? Why are you moving like that? Okay, that's kind of weird. I'm not vibing with it though, but sure. I'm gonna do something about those boxes, which is box. So I'm gonna do like a hard red. Yeah, it's gonna be actually magenta, and that's it. It's gonna be 1. I'm gonna go bloop, bloop, because I want to see it. I want to see the box. And right now I'm not seeing it because it has opacity issues. Come on, man. Give me a hand. Why are you not helping? Oh, there we go. So opacity is that, which is cool. I'm gonna go double whammy with this and go white, white, white. And then I'm gonna go like this, but 128. No, 64. I just like me some. Sure, 64. I just like me some rounded numbers. And this is gonna be the green one. This is the hurt box. And I need you to be fully realized. There we go. And it's gonna be good old green and some good old white. Just for the sake of visibility. And now you're gonna be 64, so you can be a bit more transparent. That's it. They're nasty. I like them. I need to see them, so it makes sense that they're nasty. All right. Who's this player? I think Frevo's head is a bit small. Now that I see it. See, it's there. Yeah. What? Did you see that? Did you see that? Where's the collision box, man? That's trash. Oh, what? Why? Oh, I'm an idiot. There you go. That's the problem, man. It's supposed to be here. Oh, man. Oh, man. Oh, another bot. Cool. Oh, man. Let me check that out. Okay, so maybe that was the whole problem all along, man. You gotta visualize your collision boxes. You cannot take your boxes for granted. God damn it. Yeah. Yeah. See, that makes more sense. That makes sense. It it didn't stop. It just goes fucking wild, man. Oh, man. Why? Why? It should stop. It's a character. No, it's not a character. Is it? What did I time scale anyway? Projectile Frevo. Yeah, let's go. Fraud Frevo. Blah, 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 blah. Yeah, exactly. He goes up. Blah, 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 blah. It's like fastest Yoshi in the West. It's kind of wise in the early effort you put in payoff later in the jam. Just made the frame data for 8 attacks in like an hour or so. Yeah. Yeah, you were there when I started working on this one, right? Like the special. It's weird. I don't know. It should be. I'm having this time scale issue. Why is the box hit on time scale? You know what? I'm not asking. Why are you not here? I thought I placed you in time scaled. Whatever, man. Let's go. Thanks, Crimson. I'm glad you can see the effort paying off. Okay, chill. And show me the boxes. There we go. Yeah! That's what I'm talking about! Boom. He still goes back, like... I'm gonna do a little cheating. And... debug. How you doing, debug? I'm gonna add a little key. That's gonna be weird. And you folks are gonna like it. Which is... I'm gonna change the time scale. Functions. Time scale set. 2.2, just to run a slow motion. All right. If this was it 3? If this works, I should be able to see the game running really slowly. And I want that so I can check some stuff out. So 3. Yes. It's running really slow. So perhaps too slow, but and it should be back on track. I should add another debug button, but it should go back on track. Yes! And it goes back after. Yeah, that's what I was gonna say, because you manipulate the time scale when you do the hit stop, so it makes sense. Oh, that's what I wanted to see. So I'm gonna mute so it doesn't annoy me. There you go. Oh, we're all good now, because if I run it slow, it's not gonna overshoot on the way back. Ugh. I hate this. I hate when this happens, man. I noticed, yeah, I noticed that it's separated too, before anyone says it. I know that, like, the little bulb, it's separated from the actual tongue. That is a non-issue. It's a cool. Of course it's gonna work when I'm looking at it in slow motion. See, I know it overshoots. Don't lie to me. I know exactly how to do the failsafe. I'm not good. It's gonna need a little tweaking, but I know exactly how to do the failsafe. First, where's my boy Frevo's OG tongue? Oh, this is what actually you were doing. I totally misunderstood your message. So you're seeing the payoff of what you did early on the jam, right? With your project. Oh, that's so cool, man. That's setting up the whole thing, like leaving the foundations properly. Yeah, yeah, I can get behind that. Yeah, it's like right now, if most of the teams I feel I are having their eureka moments, if you will, like they're managing to put content in the game after setting up a whole lot of foundation. Yeah, we'll have character 2 roughed out by hopefully the end of the day. That's cool. That's great. Yeah, it in general jams happen like that. It's having organized global game jam for like 8 years or so. You know that starts on Friday night and ends on Sunday evening, and you can see like halfway through Saturday when things start to click, or when they don't, but you can see them clicking by halfway through Saturday, and on Sunday it's like the stress of delivery date, but still things start to click just on the second night, if you will. Yeah, we'll have character. Yeah, and then character 3 is a fast follow after that. Wow, we're doing 3 characters. Let's go, man. Yes, congratulations. Congratulations. That's great. Cool. So, all right, we have the files for Hip. I'm probably gonna export him in a few, but I'm gonna write that down for my boy, my boy Frevo. Frevo tongue overshoots its way back. And I was gonna do something about the special first, and then I'm gonna do the implementation. Hey, Funky, thank you. I just saw it. Yes, I'm gonna start doing it right now. I'm like, I want to get something for Frevo fixed first, which is his tongue. There's other things I'm gonna need to fix later, but there's something specific about the thing that actually hits you and the trail that I want to just join them together right now. So I'm just gonna go into gameplay, special, character specials. There we go. Where's Frevo? Frevo, there we go. And okay, so it's fully commented here, I guess. And I created this. And I'm changing this guy's stretch is the width. I see. I'm gonna add a little margin, which is gonna make it work. No, that plus 20 needs to be signed. It needs to reach Frevo X plus 20 math. No, this margin extractor was an absolute nightmare. Oh, I'm sorry, man. It's fine. I'll find a way. No worries. I can use it on Flash, and I can fix it on Flash if it's needed. This will help me out, but honestly, it should be plus the sign of this difference, because I need it to be a fixed number, so it's gonna be. I don't want to depend on a percentage that I do not know of, but I can do this. Might be too much, but let's try it. All right, so I'm gonna do the slow-mo. Yes, that's how it works. Ah, you saw the overshoot. Now you can see the overshoot, you silly little bastard. There we go. He is having like a weird thing here. So I'm just gonna, there. No. And up. And what I should be able to do is slow-mo. Okay, makes a bit more sense. And now that I think about it, I should have left it as a 9 slice. All right. And whoa, there we go. Okay. Cool. It's working. It's working as intended. It's gonna need tweaking once I have a bit more frames or just use a better asset. But for now, it gets the job done. And let's go with export our friend hip. Now that we have it, don't you worry, Funky. Life finds a way. Yes, properly named. Love it. I think so. No. Ah! That's fine. I'm gonna have them all, and I'm gonna need the eye highlight. Yeah, I'm gonna need all layers on. All right. Yeah, this is it. No, I need all layers. There. What I'm gonna do, I think you got it. It's not bad. Some might be off, but I'm gonna, it's easy to tweak. So do not worry about that. Export as, no, I need export layers. So there we go. Only layers, no. Remove parts outside the canvas, no. Trim transparent parts, no. Remove parts outside the canvas. Sure. All right. Okay, didn't get it. I thought I did something wrong. My dude. All right. So I'm gonna do a first pass on Flash, if I'm just to be sure. And it's gonna be like a new one. This is all the logo exploration, by the way. It's fine. So I need a canvas size, so I'm gonna use this as a canvas reference. Yes. There's a what is it? Hollow Knight vibe to it right now with this. Hollow Knight. All right, this is the. I get it. This is the size then. And this is gonna probably help me out. And I'm gonna put all frames. Sure, replace my dude. It's fine. Don't die on me. Not now, not today. There we go. That's a lot of damage. Huh. All right. And here's a little hornet bunny. Yeah, exactly. And what I'm going to do is distribute to keyframes. And that's it. So this is the idle. And what I'm going to do is like a little guidelines. I'm going to use them as guide. And I'm going to go like this. For what it's worth, if you can use this idea for any other exports, funky, go ahead, feel free. My non-binary hornet bunny. Oh! An NB character, cool. The little hornet bunny. There you go. They do have that NB energy, if I'm being honest. Okay, I'm gonna work around the idea that this is the fixed point now. I'm gonna lock this, and then I'm gonna go idle, appears to be good. This one, no problem at all, because I can move it around if needed. Same here. This, maybe I should lower it a bit. What I need to do though is, do I have like the the eye? But I don't think I can do it with a separate layer. It's gonna be more complicated. I would suggest that point of the character of the eye, it's its own thing, right? What's the? Oh, I see. You're doing the whole thing right now. That's weird. That one's weird. I don't know what happened there, but yeah, we're gonna have like some problem with that. We can check it out later, but this cannot be a layer on its own. It has to be part of the color, and maybe what you have to do is like on the. Why is this fully painted? Like the line art should have the hole for the little shine of the eye. It's fine. It's not hard to fix. Okay, something happened here. You know what? I'm probably gonna go and do it like highlight. I'm first gonna start with the idle. Idle I know works. I'm just gonna go with from there. I'm just gonna take it from there. So and desktop. No, it's downloads. There we go. What were the names of? Oh man, I'm gonna need a little notepad. Give me a minute. Got a lot of sketches from my little girl around here, because of course she does. Can I use this? No. Give me a minute, I'm gonna get a notepad. All right. So, what happened? Is everybody okay? No, just lost the monitor for a bit there. Probably like loose cable. Anyway, there you go. And I'm gonna need like idle is called. Oh, they're called color. Okay. All right. So here's what I'm gonna do is I need. Oh, where did it go? Oh, well, but yeah, computer's acting funky. Haha. Hope you're doing funky. All right, so I'm gonna need color. What are you? Import from files. No, this is not it. Yeah, give me a minute. It's gonna be a while. So what are you? Library. Color 3, color 2, color 3, color 4, color 6. So 3 to 5 appears to be the idle animation. All right, so it's 3 to 5. 3, 4, 5. It's just 3 frames. I believe it's yeah, because it rebounds, right? So like this one is this one, this one is this one, this one is this one. No, I'm missing a frame. 6. No. Huh. Which one is it? Yeah. Not saying is the order, but this is like 2. Oh, 2. Am I missing 2? Yeah. I think I'm missing 2. 2. There you go. Import from files. There we go. So it's. There we go. So this one is this one. And this one is this one. I get it. So this goes here. Boop, 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 boop. There we go. That's it. Okay. This is the right thing. All right. Right, well, you want me to rename the layers on my end to make it easy? Yeah, please do. Yeah, I believe I mentioned it, but I think I didn't mention it on our chat, on our group Discord. But yeah, layering, naming the layers is, please, helps a lot. And but yeah. And what I can do with the shining in the eyes is I can use it as a mask for the line art. That way it can. Oh, if you can do it like yeah, thank you. That would definitely help a lot. And just call them the frame name, and it's fine. It's like whatever. If you need a naming convention, it's just let's say idle one underscore color or underscore line art, and that's it. That should work. Keep the shines. If you can do the shines, the same thing. Now that I think about it, I'll do the masking on my end with Flash probably. I think I'm gonna do it today, but I do know how to do it, so it's fine. And but yeah, I'm gonna do something else in the meantime, but it's fine. And so no, what I can do is having that file. I'm just gonna add a little dude here. Gotcha. Yeah, I'll keep an eye on Shanghai. It's fine. You didn't know. We didn't talk about it, so it's fine. And it has a solution, which is like it's a big non-issue in that sense. So what I do know about our little dude here is we're gonna need the shine to be one of the colors. So if you need another color, I'm gonna use, again, no, don't worry about this in particular, the shine. I'm gonna use green for the shine in the eye. I'm gonna use green, and I'm gonna get some other frame just to understand the character. Yeah. So I'm gonna use for the shine. It's like what's gonna happen is I'm not saying this is what it will be, but it's gonna look like something like this. Thicker, of course, but there we go. Give me a minute. So fully realized, my dude. There we go. So it's gonna be something like this. It looks evil. But yeah, the idea is to be something like this. So it's one of the colors that we still don't have any indexing, so it's gonna work for that. All right. So the way I see it is, so red is pants, green is shine, let's call it. Blue is shirt. Cyan is socks. Yellow is sleeves and neck. Cuffs, actually, but sure. Cuffs and neck. Magenta is ear shadow. And K is shoes. And white is skin. There we go. All right. I'm gonna use the reference you did, so I'm gonna like start with the palettes now that I'm at it. And here. And this is based on what you sent to our group. So right now it makes no sense because of course like the character didn't have any details here. So red is the pants and the jacket and shorts. Okay, so it's BUP 2CF 56B. There we go. All right, and this is gonna be a classic FFF, the way I see it, because it's gonna be the shine. B was the shirt. The shirt is the jacket. Sorry, jacket torso. It's gonna be. No, I don't need that. It's FF 9959. There we go. And socks are the green, so it's gonna be this. The cuffs, it's yellow. No, magenta. Magenta was the ear shade, the inner ear. There we go. So it's gonna be A4, BB for F. I'm just using a reference that Funky sent to our internal Discord. Yellow was the cuffs, and so it's the green. Black is the shoes, which is the skin in this case, and the skin fur as E3 FO F7. Yeah, and so is this. So this is the basic palette for our buddy. And also the line art. I already did the line art before. It's this one. And but yeah. Give me a minute. All right. So I'm also gonna do the other palettes that you sent our way. And I'm gonna go. There's a Lakers palette. Okay, I'm gonna leave it there, and that is fine. I'm gonna go Sprite, and I'm just gonna paste it here. Duplicate. I'm gonna paste the what I call the Lakers palette. Okay, no, I should just let me do the whole thing. There we go. Duplicate. And the final palette is, ice cold. I like it. And large canvas. There we go. So the way I do this is I need the pants, and what I do with the pants is I just go bloop, get this, copy this. There we go. So palette 2 for our little buddy. He's gonna have the same line art for all palettes. I believe I does the same thing, right? Because I change it on one just to test it, but it should put it back, so it's like here. And if everyone has the same line art, it's gonna be back on chat. Everyone has the same line art. It's gonna be here. It's gonna be here. There you go. And the way I see, he has the same fur color throughout all his palettes. I'm just gonna go like this. Just removing options. There we go. Back to here. So the pants are that color. I'm gonna go like red. Green was the... What did I write there? Jesus. Oh, it's the shine, sure. The shine's gonna be like this throughout the whole thing, maybe. Probably gonna be the same color of the fur now I think about it, but we can see that later. It's not an issue, but at least I got it covered throughout all the palettes already. There we go. Okay, so I can stop worrying about the shine for now. B is the shirt, blue is the shirt, and this is like this little salmon color, I think. There we go. Cyan is the socks, and the socks are the pale yellow. Magenta was... Yeah, I flipped them. I did Y, and there we go. It's like magenta is the inner ear. Is the inner ear consistent throughout the palettes? Yes. So I'm gonna use that to my advantage. So that means where's the inner ear? This magenta stays the same on all palettes. All right. My boy is looking good. So yellow was the cuffs and the cuffs and which is the pale yellow. There we go. So yellow here, and the black were the shoes, and the shoes are brown. This is like hot cocoa brown. There we go. All right, palette 3, the Lakers one. I like it. The pants are grayish. Oh, it's kind of like a purple, desaturated purple, but cool. So the way it's the pants and the shoes, which is on K. There you go. And this is supposed to be the non-binary flag. Oh shit! It's right. You're right. It's the non-binary flag. So, like, non-binary flag. You're right. You're absolutely right. Exactly. And then we had like, I know it wasn't, but it was close to the trans flag. Like this, one of the palettes for I had these colors. Somebody said it was a pan flag, but because of the yellow, but it wasn't saturated enough. Mi país, mi país. All right, so your national flag, man. I'm sorry, I've become very self-aware that I end my sentences with men when I'm talking about gender stuff in general, and I hate it. So please do not consider it misgendering. It happens. Please, sorry. Where was I before I blush beyond recognition? So what's blue? Blue is the shirt, which is purple. There we go. No worries. Do, I don't know how to. What's your actual name? Like, cause I always see you as MS360, but I don't know what your yeah. What's your actual name? How should I call you? Cause it's my. Wait, are you M8 Tuna? Perhaps. Am I actually realizing this now? Like on Instagram when we follow each other. Am I actually realizing this now, or am I mixing people up? I might be mixing people up. This is something that happens to me a lot. Anyway, purple, and it's a shirt. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. MS360 360 no scope. Oh, by the way, chat's frozen on your stream. It is? Oh, let me do something like I'm gonna refresh this, and now it should appear properly once you folks start talking again. Shenanigans, I guess. And yes, testing. It didn't pop up, right? Meow, testing. It's not popping up. Yeah, it actually just it died. I'm gonna. Nah, it didn't appear. It's screwed up. Why you hate me? What have I done to you, my good friend? Silly little boxed thing. Let's see. Anyway, if it doesn't work, it doesn't work. It's fine. We'll just cut it off. Fuck it. We'll do it live. It's fine. All right. Where the hell was I? On that purple thing is the shirt. The shirt is coated on blue. There we go. Cyan was the socks. The socks are the yellow. And apparently also the cuffs and the sleeves. So there you go. What I want to say for the red palette, that's a reference to the anime song Renai's Circulation. I don't know about that. What's the red palette? Red palette on who? Wait, I. Oh God! Oh, apparently somebody picked up the reference. I didn't. I'm playing my old card here. I'm 40. Should I know about this? On hip, which is the red palette. This one. Is this considered a red palette? It's salmon, actually. But it's like reddish. Okay, fine. It's reddish. I get it. It's reddish. It's on the red hue. You're right. It's on the red hue. It's more pinkish than anything else. You're actually right. Cool. Fandoms I do not know of. Horrors beyond my comprehension. Man-made horrors beyond my comprehension. I noticed that the shine in the eye is the color of the fur, so I'm gonna fix that. Even though it's not gonna be coated or like functional for now, I want to get it done. There we go. Let's expand from Puyo Tetris. We're going hard on Puyo, man. And the pants. Pants are red. And that's the only time we're using that color. Blue was the shirt, which is white AF. Uh-oh. Oh, I got it. Yeah, it's the socks. Sorry. It is? It is? Is it? Can we do this? Because the soles are not. I think I have some bad news, my dude. The soles are not indexed differently. No, the soles are indexed on the same color here. So it's probably like the shoes are going to be like whole. It makes more sense what I see here that the sole is something different. Maybe we need to revisit the indexing after this for this particular part of the character. Yeah, we're gonna have to revisit that, I think. Probably gonna be a problem. But yeah. There's something that we can do. You're not planning on changing the line art of the characters in any of their palettes, right? Just thinking it out loud. Cause yeah, it's fine. It happens. Uh so if you're not changing the line art of the characters throughout their palettes, which I think it's cool because like the line art, it's kind of like their identity in some senses. We can have the eye shine in the line art and export the line art with the color already. Because if we do that, we will not be tinting the line art later, so it wouldn't tint the shine of the eye, and problem solved in that sense. Does that make sense to you, Funky? I don't know if I made myself clear with that, but okay, sure. Yeah. I mean, if you were considering doing the line art, we can do that. We can do that, of course. But if we need like a quick fix, and since the way at least I noticed, Eyes palette didn't change the line art, do they? Of course. Oh, I'm having second thoughts now. Anyway, if we're gonna keep Hips line art with the same color, then we can add details to the line art and don't worry about it because we're not going to tint it. That's what I'm saying. I think we need to have a discussion about the color index system after the jam. Yeah, for sure. Yeah, of course. Yes, definitely. Because as it stands right now, it's a good idea, but it needs a bit more exploration and needs more leeway to some things. And also you managed to learn it pretty quickly for something that it's like less than a month of development. So like kudos to you. It's like this is not something you can pick up so quickly with a remote team and with the jam pressures. So forget about it. It's fine. What's up? How you doing, Mohast? We're doing bunnies here. That's what we're doing. We're a bit late on Easter, so we're doing bunny rabbits a bit late. They're not chocolate bunnies though. Sorry. I was doing the last palette. Yeah. I'm gonna go as I was doing already and just roll with it. What was cyan? It's the socks. It's white as fuck. Cyan is the socks. Yellow was the cuffs and the neck. Ice gold. Black were the shoes, and the shoes are this shade of blue. Cool. Okay, yeah. I definitely want to reassess that when it comes to following up after the jam. But yeah, there's got to be more leeway when it comes to the the palette system. Right now, it's okay, but it's limited, and I get it. And it gets the job done. It could get the job done better, if that makes any sense. But yeah. All right, we have our good friend Hips Layers. I mean, palettes. I was thinking about the layers. Do you get any chance to rename the layers, or should I do something else in the meantime? This is fixed because the collision box was. Oh, sure. Super effective. Thank you so much. I'm gonna close this. Bye. Oh, silly me. This is actually a good thing. Like Photopea is a good program. I mean I haven't used it like thoroughly, but what I'm for I use it for, it works really well. Which is basically exporting a ton of stuff. Oh, thank you. This is super useful. This should do the trick. Boom, 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 boom. There we go. Again, we export the layers. 46 exportable layers. That's a lot of damage. It's building it up, and then it should export. Come on. Are we exporting or are we having trouble? Dude, I just sung praises to you, Photopia. Don't leave me like that. You leaving me out cold. Damn it. Did you export it? 1 minute ago. No, it's not this one. I need you to export, my dude. See, you should never trust online programs like this, man. They just left me hanging. I'm gonna try just reload. Bye. I believed in you, Photopia. I believed in you. Now you just silly little bunny. Special idle. Boop, 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 boop. Let's go. Layers. There we go. Don't trim. Don't use palettes. How about now? There we go. I saw that. There we go. And now I got me some. You know what? Allow. Now it's responding to every click I ever did in my lifetime. And I'm keeping that big boy there. No, I'm not. Bye. Nope. This is not what I need to click. And now, idle. And I do this. So I'm going to keep the old one. It's going to just rename it old. I'm going to go like idle. And now that I have the files, oh, some layers are named layered. Maybe there's a bug, but either way, it was like idle, color, line art, color. Gonna there we go. This should do it. That's it. All right. And I'm gonna do this. The registry point is gonna be here. I'm gonna apply to this whole animation. I'm gonna duplicate. I'm gonna go idle line. This is gonna be another object though, but in the meantime, it's gonna be idle. It's gonna go like boop, 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 boop. I need to full. That way, the system knows that it needs to change the palette in a classic way, if you will, the way it should, and not just with a huge change that it did before. So right now it's gonna be just this animation. I'm just gonna try this, see if it changes the colors. And it's gonna be bup, bup, bup. There we go. Let's see. All right. Yeah, palettes are working. This is the outline. What you see right now, it's the outline. Shouldn't have an outline now. Outline's off. I should see just the... Yeah, exactly, that, like a ghost. Because I don't have the... Palettes appear to be working properly. Cyan does not. Cyan must be slightly off. And let me check it out. This is not a problem. So if it's not cyan, what is it? It's close to cyan. And I can use that on the character where it's asking for cyan. I can paste the correct color. And then the palette should work. Sure, Funky, go ahead, no problem. And now it does it properly. There we go. The white is not an off-white. I should also check that out. Idle. Are you deep white? No, you're not. You're an offset white, and I'm going to use that. So where are you, white? White. Here you are. You're an offset white, and this is it. And that is fine. Hip idle looks kind of weird. Might be a thing on my end. Yeah, it's a... yeah, I might be doing something with the frames. It's... colors appear to be okay. I cannot tell if it's... anyway. I think the animation might be in the wrong order. Yeah, for sure. It was like... doop, doop. Yeah, definitely. There it is. It should work properly now. Yeah, there it is. Yeah. Look at him go. There you go. Go, be free, get something to eat. No worries. So idle is doing fine, which means I need to have double check the idle line, which is this. Okay, and okay, charge. I'm gonna add the frame here. I'm just gonna, where's charge? Because I want to be sure about the positioning. Yeah, positioning is right. It's okay. I was like, cut, charge, charge. I'm gonna delete this. I'm gonna go charge, line, and you know what? I shouldn't be doing the line art just yet. It's fine. I can do it elsewhere. So this was cool. Sorry, I meant this was cool. This was cool. I'm probably gonna do the same thing. So it's like, no. Do I? Yeah, probably. So I'm gonna do... I'm overthinking this. So I'm just gonna go, where's jump? Jump 1, import from files. There we go. Yeah, this boy's offset. Yeah. I mean, I see why you did this. Probably gonna be a problem down the line. So I'm gonna paste it here. Yeah, I see. I'm gonna leave it here. I'm gonna leave this frame here on purpose, so I can have a reference as to where it should eventually be. Hold the same thing, which is jump to color, import for files. That's fine. This appears to be better. Sure. Fall. Just jump 3. Import files. That looks cool. Land is this. Land is color. Import files. There we go. Full land special color. I have no idea why the first jump is so misplaced. I think I was checking to see if things are consistent. I forgot. That's fine. It's fine. It's no issue. It's like the ones that are more problematic are having misplacement on frames that are within a same animation and that are on land, on flat land. Like being misplaced, like you can see like a little shift in the animation or whatnot. Other than that, if they are midair, you have a lot of more leeway to just do whatever. And hit and death, those are like super, super leeway friendly. And I'm also going to try to do some polish for that. Where is it called death? No. What's the defeat, right? Defeat, there you go. Yeah, that is a bit more extreme. There you go. And you have more leeway with the hit and the defeat animations. This is nothing. This is cool, but it's nothing in the grand scheme of things. And the way I do it is gonna be this frame is on, and I'm gonna go apply to all animations, and that way I'm gonna crop later. First I'm gonna test the character. See, this is cool. That way I can try this. And what was that? Oh, I remember. Never mind. I know exactly what that happened. I added this frame. I don't need that frame. There you go. Might not be that bad. Yeah, he looks a bit offset. The after image without the line art looks kind of cool. If I'm being honest, it looks pretty cool. It looks pretty cool, but I don't think we can use it. So I think the jump is the only one that has a little bit of an issue, but other than that, and it's not that bad, honestly. It's not that it's very bad. I want to see the hit. Like, I mean, it's working. It is working. It's working pretty well, honestly. Yeah, I think the only one I'm going to try something with the jump frame. Just push it a little bit to the back. 320. Let's go. 300. Let's try it here. Besides that, everything appears to be working. Yeah. It is working, and it's working really well. Oh, nice. Still have that etch case on the borders, but... Oh, that after image without the line art. I'm gonna consider having, like... There is something there. There's something there. Like the after image without the line art. Or if the after image just the line art could be a thing, but it could be harder to read. This is something cool, honestly. There's something cool in here. I was sweating the entire time, like, damn, I messed up so bad. No, it didn't. You did well. Come on, don't worry. Don't sweat it. There is something cool here with the after image. I'm just kind of obsessed with it now. Oh, that was cool. And I got hit. Bio. Computer hip wins. No, not line art, so it hardly reads on the hard black and white version. There I go. Hey, it works. You did a good thing. Honestly, it works really well. Nice job. So I'm gonna get the... What am I calling the line arts? Just two? Jesus. I'm very unoriginal. It's gonna be line. There we go. It's not gonna be hit two. It's gonna be hit line. There we go. Idle is gonna go... I have idle line already, so it's gonna be like this. And I'm gonna delete these, and gonna be... This is gonna be idle. And I have to... change you... No, I'm gonna keep it that way. So it's gonna be here. Give me the coordinates. I'm gonna need you first to be higher. Asset is huge now. Hierarchy, you're a child now. And now this values are gonna fit you. There we go. And we are editing chip line. There we go. Hip line, not chip. And I'm gonna need charge line art. And since I already positioned the origin point here for the color, I'm gonna use it as a reference for the line art. Oops, never mind. Line art, boom. Import, and I'm gonna do this. It's like apply to whole animation. Wait, did I? Are you still there? Oh no, it moved. 391. 391. Wait, I know what this is. It's 300. I don't care then. I'll do it. I'll fix it on post. Haha. So hold. It's jump 2. Import. Fall is jump 3. Import. There we go. Land. Pat yourself on the back. It works really well. Where's the special? Special line art. Import. And then hit, which is hit line art. And then defeat line art. There we go. So boom, boom. It's all line art. There we go. And apply to all animations. Jump needs to be fixed to 300. And that should be it. And if everything works correctly... Yep. Okay, this is normal. I get it. So it's gonna be animation, idle. I should do like a quick fix for that, but let's go. All right. I know why this is happening. Just don't worry. So it's fam, characters. Who's on characters? All right. This guy shouldn't be here, which makes sense. Makes sense that it thought it was there, And then I'm gonna need to find line art, not line art. And this family needs to include, where are you, my boy? This guy right here. And now that it belongs to the family that gets tinted by the line art, we should see, yes! There we go. Check him out. Oh man, he's there. Let's see him play. Okay, that didn't work as intended. Let's see what happens. I don't know why I'm getting that bug. The jump frame? Did you see that? It's so offset. I love it. It's a bug, I know, but it's funny. I like it. Oh man, that's so cool, bro. I know, right? What happened? What the fuck are you doing over there, man? That's not where you should be. Jesus. Apply to all. Jump. 300. What happened, man? Now we're talking. Now we're cooking. Man. Yo, after image with the liner is sick too. Alright, but. And Lakers. Non-binary Lakers. Hey, he looks fine. They look fine, sorry. They are looking sick. Bush. Boo. Oh, I need to do something with the special right now. Because you're not seeing it, but I know because of how things work. The special is supposed to... So cute. These characters... Yes, they are. Yes, they are. And Funky, this is an awesome job. You did an awesome job. And I need to do a little fix on hit special. Because the whoosh should make the whole character flash. But since the line art was not considered originally for the special... you can see, like, I'm gonna show it on slow-mo. There we go. You can see, like, that when it flashes, the colors go white, but not the line art. I should fix that. It's teamwork. Teamwork makes the dream work. Boom. Boom, 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 boom. Bar. Okay, enough with the slow-mo. Good thing that I know how to fix a special. Name your functions properly, kids, so it's easy to find them later. Bunnies have the power to backdash. We all know this. Bunnies do have that power. And I'm gonna need to... Oh, the landing mesh is missing! Didn't notice. I'm gonna look it up. Wait a minute. Oh, interesting. I'm gonna play Ice Cold. It's there. It's not showing though, now you mention it. It's not showing for whatever reason. And now I'm asking myself, is I showing her landing? On there. But then it's not. Weird. That's a bug. This is a scale, right? They work. They work really cool. Wait. It's not the scale. I know exactly what the scale is. It's 33, so this bad boy should be 33. Aha! That 3% makes a huge change. So it's like hip. Char hip. Alright, you need to be 33. And the line needs to be 33. Now that makes sense. There's a bug, like bug, landing animation not showing. It does show on start, but somehow it doesn't while on like main gameplay. I'm gonna put it here, see if I can fix it before finishing for the day. And now, yeah, that makes more sense as a scale, because this is not scaled what they on the character selection screen. That's the correct scale. It's a 3% difference, but it makes a difference. It makes a difference. It's there. Yeah, landing animation is not working for anybody, so I gotta look that up for sure. And still having like those after images between line art and color. That's gonna be like a curse throughout the project, and I hate it. But what am I gonna do? I'm gonna crop now. There we go. I'm gonna crop the whole thing. There you go. Now it makes more sense. And everything is on the way. There we go. And your head is this. Your shoes are okay. Might be a bit too big, but it's fine. You're a rabbit. You get to do that. And the landing animation is missing. Yeah, I know. But you know what's not missing? Doing this. So you have they were doing hip animation done. You did it. We're doing good. That's not missing. We're doing great. I can do the shine thing later on. The shine, correct me if I'm wrong, the shine is supposed to be the color of the fur, right? It's not like actual white. It's not FFFFFF. It's the color of the fur. Yep, got it. Yeah, I'm gonna do it like I'm gonna like go hard on going like no tinting. Just use it the asset as is. It matches the fur, sure. And since we're not changing the fur, this shouldn't be a problem. This looks great. Except for the shine, I think we're good. I think I can do the shine. How long have we been here? Almost 2 hours. It's fine. We can do it. We have the technology. So what I'm gonna do is, first things first, I'm gonna delete this whole mess. And then I'm gonna bring in the deets. So anything that says line art, I want it. All right. So I'm getting all the line art for the character here. That's right. So all of this, I'm gonna center it here. Cool. And then I'm gonna go all the shine, was it? No, eye. There we go, eye shine. And there's some animations that do not have it, so it's fine. I'm gonna split this into keyframes, distribute to keyframes. There we go. So, idle. I'm gonna need the idle one shine. I'm gonna do this like, there's a way to make a whole set of things just keyframes. I'm just forgetting about it right now. Convert to blank. There we go. So this doesn't need, this doesn't need, this needs. It's idle one. Idle one shine. And I'm gonna do this. Wait a minute. Align, blub, blub. Here's a trick. properties of the layer is going to be the tint. You see where I'm going? And I'm going to need the color. This bad boy. Properties. What color do you want it? I want it this. That's not the color I wanted. Oh, 100%. There we go. See where this is going? And the shine needs the layer of the shine. So everything is bluish. We got it. And the layer of the shine needs to be this. Properties, tint, 100% on this color. And that's how I fix it, right? And I'm gonna change the background so I can read what I'm seeing. There we go. And on here, I'm gonna need the idle 2. There we go. Here, I'm gonna need idle 3. Boom, 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 boom. And idle 4. I don't know if you're there, Entropy, but I'm still like, the tunes, the bangers are in my head, man. That's just the bangers. So this is jump 1, which has an eye shine. Oh, this is not jump 1, this is jump 2, sorry. So this is probably gonna be here. No, where's jump? Am I missing the jump? Apparently I didn't add it here. Sure, whatever, I guess. I'm just gonna leave a blank. Just gonna do this. What are you doing? There we go. And with this, I'm gonna leave this blank on purpose. And this is gonna be here. All right. And now, this right here is gonna be a blank keyframe. You gotta befriend Flash. Flash is a good friend. It's a good friend that gets drunk sometimes and, you know, makes a mess out of things. But at the end of the day, you know, he's just right there. They will solve the issue, even though they're kind of a mess. I'm gonna read that, chat. I have something else on the other screen right now, but I'm gonna read it. You're probably talking about Flash. All right. I don't know if I want to be friends with Adobe. No, I said Flash. I didn't say Animate. This is Animate. I know I'm using Animate. It's not Flash's fault. You don't want to be friends with Adobe. I agree. You don't have to be friends with your friend's parents. Okay? You know your friend has been through some rough patches, some rough times. You gotta be there for your friend, man. So Flash is friend. Okay. Yeah, I know. I committed to the bid. I'm sorry. Yeah, you gotta commit to the bid. So, jump 1. Did I delete that? Am I that silly? I don't know why it's not there, but I don't care. My dude, you should be this color. Why are you not? You're wearing the color? I'm gonna have some problems, man. Yeah, you should be having that color. Properties. I need the layer properties. That's a tint. Yeah, why you're not? There we go. See? I love this. And now, I can export this again with the eye shine and the color already implemented. And we are golden. Cue the K-pop Demon Hunters. Clip Studio is my friend. I wish their text editor wasn't as tough. As wasn't ass though. Yeah. Which text editor is an ass? That's a question for the class. Like, you cannot have it all. Sorry, Adele. So I'm gonna export this. I think Photoshop lol is better than Clips. Oh no, the text editor. That's what you're saying. It better be. People are paying good money to have that, or are going through the trouble of going to the high seas to get that. So yeah, it better be good. I'm not touching Photoshop ever again. Yeah, the farthest we can go from that, the better. So I'm just gonna call it like this: hip, and it's gonna be hip, and I don't care. I'm just gonna go with the flow. Oh, did it have transparency? Because I didn't see that. It didn't have. You can see it's like very gray. So 32, because I need you to be transparent. There we go. And now we're cooking. And now we are cooking. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna bring Flash down so I know what frame is what while I import the files. So I need the, which one's idle? You know what? I don't think I need this because I can see the files very well already. And I have documents, assets, hip. There we go. I can see them as icons and I don't need to go any further than that. So I need the idle. Need to be sure that the order is correct, which is this. And sorry, flashbang. There we go. There we go. Oh, yeah. I'm gonna have to fix some things afterwards, but it's fine. Yeah, it's fine. And I need this. Charge is gonna be here. Import from files. There we go. Jump, our good offset buddy jump. Why does it hate this frame so much? It's not here either. What did this frame do to you, man? No, this is good. I need Flash. All right. What does this frame ever do to you? It's there. Why am I not seeing it? Oh, I'm a dumb. Oh, I'm so dumb. I needed to scroll. There we go. So hold is. Dude, I'm blind. I'm not seeing the frames. There we are. It's here. Fall is here. It's a good thing it's like 14 frames for the whole character. Otherwise, we'll be like ages with this. You have no idea how much it was with jump joust. It was a chore. We were a bigger team though, but still, it becomes a lot of like busy work to just make it work properly. I'm doing it the other way around. It should be this. There we go. And I know why the landing is having an issue. Now that I think about it, I'm gonna address it later. Okay, this is it. And now I'm gonna pick up the data from the, oh man. Yeah. I kind of messed up cropping before. So I'm gonna have to do this whole thing again, the color one, because of the registry point. So it's not bad, but it's just annoying. Well, there are a few frames, so it's not that bad. So I'm gonna need charge, jump, 1. This one's on me. Land. Special. So hit here. And the feet is here. And I don't need this. I need idle. We need 1, 2, 3. Oops. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then make sure that the order is correct. There we go. And now this. We mark it here. Apply to all animations. Jump gets the 300. Be sure it doesn't mess up. Hip line gets that point. No, it's the same point. Oh man, I overcomplicated things for no reason, honestly. No, I did. It's okay. 394, 774. 394, 774. That's how you get the funky numbers, just by tapping in the wrong place. Apply to all animations. Jump gets 300 as an offset. And we should be golden. As it's going to be huge, but I don't care right now, then we're going to crop. I'm happy as always to get one character done per week due to the small amount of frames. Yeah, does make a lot of sense. Yeah, it's not easy. Cleanup takes a long time. And yeah, it was a chore. I can see, and you did a great job. They look great. Ah, it's tinting. It's still tinting. So what I need to do is, I need to do something about it. Oh, here's the cheat code. The line is white. Why? Because white tint makes no difference on the base color. This is a cheat code. Is it a hack? Yes. Does it work? Check it out. Can't argue with results. How long did the fix take us? 20 ass minutes. Nothing else. And it looks great. I see the problem there. I know what's going on back there. I'm gonna have to make an exception somehow else. Hip's name is gonna look white as fuck because on the character select screen, it picks up the line art color for the character select screen. That is gonna be something that I'm gonna fix right now. Because the way I'm gonna do it is I'm gonna add something here. An option, which is no line tint, I'm gonna call it, which is weird and I don't care, but oh man, sorry, it's like yes, do it to all. There we go. I can have this data and do something about it, which is exactly what I'm gonna do. So it's gonna be like this. I'm gonna go back to the color of the character. This used to be another color. I'm gonna look it up, which was here. So Flashbang warning. There we go. And we're back. This is the was this color or was a little bit something else? Now let's think about it, because Flash does this weird things at times. No, it is. It is. Cool. So, hear me out. I'm going to put things back on their place, because I need the background color of the letters on the character select screen to be properly colored. See, that's what happens with some hacks. You can hack your way into another new problem. But if you do the exception, which is not perfect, but it works, or it should work rather, here's what I'm gonna do. First, I'm gonna copy the resulting thing, which is this. And right now, if everything worked, the color of the name is set properly, but the shine is gonna be tinted. I don't know what just happened. What is going on, man? What the heck did I just do? What's going on, man? I don't know. What the heck? Sure. No tint? You're there. No tint. No line tint. Sure. What just happened? What? I don't know what I'm seeing. What just happened? Alright, so give me this. So I has this hip. Yeah, what is going on? Oh, okay. Got it. Never mind. It's working as intended. It's on me. I need the palette system. Where's the palette system? Palette system. See, this is the thing that I was talking about. So instead of, if the status is full, it does this. If the status is no tint line, did I call it like that? No line tint. So that's the problem of comparing strings. No line tint, you do this, but you don't do it on the line, on the line art. So now this becomes a different question for the ones that will be hue. We'll be changing the hue. Is this. All right. And are we cooking or are we not cooking? Come on! Again, what, 20-ish minutes to make this fix? And they look great. They just look amazing. They're friends now. They have matching clothes. These look like Game Boy screens, and I like it. It's a side effect of trying to use the palette, but I like it. The Lakers! It works! Oh, shit. Wait. I wanted to fix the special. Let's fix that. I was right there. Oh my god. Here, and I'm gonna go fan characters, and the children is gonna be no, it's not fan characters, it's fan line art. There you go. And it's not actors, it's gonna be characters. Fam characters. If this works properly, I can do this. Replace fam line art. And I can do this with line art. So what I'm doing is I'm picking the children from the actors, which is the position tracker, and all the variables are stuck in there. Characters is the animations that you know, the colored version of the animations. And line art is, of course, the line art. That's the whole sandwich. So I'm saying is actors has a child in the hierarchy that is the character. The character has a child in their hierarchy, which is the line art. I'm calling them both to change the brightness for a split second and then change it back. That's what I'm doing here. And we should see Hep flash when they do their special move. Let's go. Yes. It travels real far now with a stat change. That can easily be changed, so it's not an issue. Boom, boom, boom. There you go. Okay, so I am doing. I need to check on the landing animation. Am I asking, is there a land state? Yes. No, there's an animation for landing. On landing. Cool. This is on purpose. Is on floor. I know there's a fix for the floor effect. This. This guy does the thing. I know why this is here. I'm gonna try, because quick tapping on sides causes the wave dash. Is the wave dash fixed? If it's fixed, this is redundant. I don't need it anymore. We will have our landing back. Wait, what? Oh, both problems are happening. Fuck that. See, this is it. Okay. Where is the state idle? I don't need this. And I'm removing the trail. It's still there when you respawn. So fam characters, animation. Are you playing land? If you're not playing land, hola, raiding, oh, hola, how's everybody doing? Oh, trago, ¿qué haces? Lots of people speaking Spanish have landed, so I'm gonna do some Spanish now. Sorry. ¿Qué hace, gente? Estaban viendo a Shuli. I mean, hi. It's fine. It's fine. I can flip-flop. Puedo ir de un lado para otro, así que tranqui. No, necesito esto. Necesito poner esta animación. Ok. Estaba jugando Tomodachi. ¿Cómo está Tomodachi? How's the Tomodachi life? She was playing Tomodachi. Nice. Let's see. There we we're so back. There we go. There it is. We got landing back, baby. Where did it go? No, on top. There we go. Sorry for forcing you to come to the Spanish closet. That's fine. It's not a closet. It's fine. Oh, the trails. The fucking trails. I'm gonna kill those. I'm gonna go easy on this, which is like, I'm just gonna, where are these? So, can I remove the hierarchy from here? Yeah. No. I'm gonna crop these babies now. Apply to all. Sudacas españoles queridos, saluden a Funky. Funky es el artista. I'm gonna translate this Funky, so no worries. Funky es el que creó los personajes, así que si les gustan los personajes, es culpa de Funky. I was just saying that they should congratulate you because those characters are awesome, and yeah, just that. Your characters are great, so they should know it was done by you, and exactly that. Hi, Funky, exactly. So, go get your flowers. You deserve them. Oh man, poor Jazz. Yes, I deleted all the trails. Screw you. Oh! Honorary, your way in. Let's go. There's some flashing going with the ears, or it's the offset? I'm seeing something weird with the ears. I'm gonna go back to... That's an optical illusion, maybe. By having the frames be slightly offset with the line art. Or I'm just old, which is an option. On the ears, yeah, I was seeing that. See, what I'm having is, bug or feature, we'll never know. No, the idea is, I'm having some trouble when it comes to lining up the frames from the line art and the color fill. So sometimes they're timed correctly, sometimes there's a little offset, and it annoys me to no end. It's a creative choice now. It's not. The colors and frames don't need to match the same. I mean, they kind of do. To be honest, I want to revamp Jess' design anyway, so she's gonna fall by the wayside regardless. Yeah, I understand. Yeah. That way she's not listed, so it's not much of a mess. Good night, sweet princess. I mean, I could have another state which is like, nah, don't list, but there's nothing in here just yet, so it doesn't make sense. See, why is... Oh, we have a missing number. Let's go. I don't know what's going to happen. Yay! Nothing is happening. Let's go! Very slowly making a platform horror shooter. Oh shit, you are? That's so cool. Absolute chaos. No, there's a better way to do chaos. I'll show you that later. But, do you notice this? When I pause, it gets muffled. Well, the theme is all or nothing. I agree. We're keeping it. Oh, I know exactly what's happening, though. But I know exactly what's happening. This shouldn't be here. Oh, I know. Yes! No. Exactly. This is what's happening. I knew this was happening. So... I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna do a little cheat because we're in a jam, and it's fine to do this when you have to make things rather quickly. There is a better way to do this, and that better way is not gonna happen today. There we go. Sorry, Jess, you didn't make the cut. Your time will come. Don't worry, little girl. I mean, it's gonna take points away from us because we're not including cat girls though. But so I love seeing this kind of process, man. Oh, cool. Thank you, Trato. And so I like how this turned out. So feature complete, content complete actually, because we wanted to do 2 characters to the fullest. So we have 2 characters working properly. We have yeah, I think we covered every base. I want to do something with Frevo if we have the time, and then I have to fix some bugs, of course, and some other tweaks. But yeah, music is banging though. Yeah. The style, I mean, gives me Jet Set Radio. Yes, it is. It's part of the pitch. The pitch was like, I have it here, right? Do I have it here? No, this is yours, Funky. The original pitch was, where is it? Asset exporting, no, game jam animation. Where's the pitch? Okay, no, character, fighting game jam art production outline. Yeah, so this is the pitch. So this is how I convinced Funky to join the team. It's like platform fighters. Okay, visual styles to lead into grind fiction, Jet Set Radio, bold color, street style, graffiti, but with cute mascot-like chibi characters. Sanrio and Splatoon. This was it. Yeah, this is the pitch. It's like, this is what I told Funky, and this is how we got also Entropy. They're working in the music. Those bangers you were hearing, that's Entropy. And they said they got in because of this, Sanrio and Splatoon. And they've done awesome fan music for Splatoon and stuff like that. You can really tell. And this is how Funky described it after all. It's like, in my head, I do imagine it's slightly quirky, blah, 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 blah. This is like very, encapsulates the style. And these were some of the references that I threw around. This is one of Funky's style characters, and I just did a little pogo around just as a concept. And but yeah, it is very Jet Set Radio on purpose, definitely on purpose. And but yeah, so it's working. This is working. We have 2 characters. You might have noticed this, Funky. I don't know if you're watching. I added this speed factor. What it does is basically multiply the base stats. So if we want to make a faster gameplay, we just tweak this. Original stats were this. And I started fiddling around, and 1.3 felt good. Like, just vibe spaced. And I'm stealing your assets. No, you're not. Now I want to see. Yeah, they're like, oh, you want to see Funkies? Like, this is Funkies. Like, this is the animation. All the details he added to how, yeah. This document was done by Funky, so Pencil could do the roughs. This is something that was definitely gonna get into like Pencil's attention. He loves Kids Next Door, even though it's mentioning that he shouldn't do this. But yeah, this is a very good document. Like, check it out. But yeah. Yo, yeah, sure. Post whatever. Post any links. Go ahead. Yes, blasting off again. And now this is the little dude we're working on. Like, Pencil's doing the roughs, and we changed the design a little bit because this split color with a line art was gonna bring some problems to the palette system right now. But yeah. Welp. And Palm Yeah, Palm is Squidward. Yeah. I love this. Anyway. Rod, as soon as I have a build, I'm gonna ask you to try my game. Yes, please do. Are you using itch to post it or something? Use itch. Because at least that's what we're doing right now. There's a pin message. Is it still pinned up there? Just I'm gonna go and just give you this link, and everyone. So this is a current build. It doesn't have everything we talked about or we've seen, but you can play a version of the game right off the bat there. And so character select screen. So a lot was covered today, if I'm being honest. I'd love to stay, but I gotta start cooking there. That's fine. I'm leaving like in 10 minutes or something because I've been around for like 2.5 hours, and people do get tired from streaming. But yeah, alert from the shadows. It's been a pleasure. Thank you, Shuli. Thank you for stopping by. It's always nice to see some friends dropping by. I think I'm gonna leave it here for today, and I'm probably gonna make the build and upload it on itch, and just go for it. It's working. There's a lot of stuff working, and do I have anything on my end to mark as done? No. No. The rest is still in doing, so it's fine. Besotes. Bye. And I'm hype about the theme of the game, so probably gonna itch, but there's a long road ahead. Yeah, I can get that. So, are you working? Gotta go too. Looking great. Thank you. Gracias. Beso. I'm just gonna talk to Trasco about this. So, what's the game about? I mean, you mentioned it's terror, horror, something like that. But what are you using for coding? Are you coding it yourself? Are you working with somebody else? I think I'm gonna fix this in the meantime. There's a character select. Shooter, plataforma, cosmic horror, art's yours, and style noir. Yeah. Juancho! Oh, you're in good hands. Tiene elementos de Super Mario World? That's it? SMW? Did I get that right? I might have fixed the bug that was. Yeah, oh, cool. No, wait. Fixed. There we go. That sounds actually cool. Funky, I don't think I showed you. I'm just gonna go a little bit on the game here. Funky, I think I haven't showed you. I tried to mimic your style for the conveyor level for the button asset. You can see them there, right? So it's like, boop. It's not perfect, but it looks similar. And I like how they pop up and how they squish when you press them. But yeah. All stages begin and end, but there are secret stages connected depending on how. Yo, nice. You either gonna need a skill to obtain later, or so it's like a Super Mario World Metroidvania kind of thing, because you need the skills to go back and that stuff. That's Metroidvania-ish to me. see if I can do like a little quick fix. There's a lot of you here, so I can just try to keep on doing a few things now. Wall, character select screen, no. VFX, no. CPU should also release. Yeah, special should have a hold release. Yeah. Yeah. Spawn points. Oh, I'm gonna show you something cool. It's not gonna go for the jam. Just starting and then stages is way easier. Yeah, I agree. I agree. Because that shit's gonna be longer to make. I agree. Yeah, Metroidvanias are insane. Like, I don't know what happened. I mean, I know what happened. It was Hollow Knight, but it was actually before Hollow Knight. But every indie and their mother wanted to do a Metroidvania as a easy game to do. No, please don't. It's hard. Metroidvanias are super hard, and the making it level based is a good idea. That could definitely work, and also gives you like satisfaction in between because finishing the stage is cool by itself. Uh, I was thinking about doing something. Sorry, what was it? Not this. What was it? Just had it on my tip of my tongue to just do a little quick fix for something. Would love to remember it, but anyway. Anyway, uh, just starting in the stages way. Yeah, for sure, totally, totally. So the elements of a Metroidvania are there because you get skills, so you can explore the stages. But for now, you just shoot. That's fair. That's fair. I'm just gonna, yeah, I'm gonna export it. Just call it a day. Oh, Funky, you still around? No, you're not. I'm gonna talk to you privately then. It's fine. Want to see the character standing and crouching and aiming that I made? Sure. Do you have a link with that? Or just send me my way. Send me a DM and that's it. That's fine. Did I manage to download this? No, it's here. So let me try. I'm gonna upload this on itch now, so you folks can play it. Oh, this is something I wanted to check out. So these are the this is the jam. These are the details and what is needed. A competitive versus game, we got it. That functions completed with 2 players, yes. Which allows for one-on-one matches in functional local versus, yes. I remember what I wanted to do. ADHD as fuck right now, but I'm undiagnosed, so I don't know. With real-time interactions and movement, got it. Taking place in the same screen, got it. With at least 2 playable characters, we got it there. I mean, there's 4, but there's 2 cleaned up and totally made characters. With a goal of knocking out your opponent, yes. Has full keyboard support, yes. And strongly recommended controller support for every player, got it. Implementing their split keyboard and it is required feature, yes. Got it. And can run in windowed mode. Yeah, I mean, it's a web game, but we can release it on Windows. We already do that. Optional features not required. Remappable controls not going to happen. Online versus not going to happen. Training mode not going to happen. CPU opponents already there. So yeah, remappable controls are cool, but I don't think I'm going to make it for the jam. I remember what I wanted to show you guys. There is a vision for the game. Thank you. Oh, I got it. I got it. That noise from WhatsApp was you. Cool. Uh, so listen up. I'm gonna show you something weird that is gonna be like the vision of what I want to do with the game eventually. Which is this is not gonna happen in the jam. And if it's gonna happen, it's gonna be like a debug thing first I gotta be sure you're in the right. There we go. I'm not gonna watch them now. I'm not gonna see them now. I just gotta test this. But I'll let you know. I just replied to you on WhatsApp off stream. This is the vision. This is the idea of the game. Eventually, like having 4-player matches. No, versus CPU is gonna be better. I gotta do something about that noise. Yes, this is the vision. Yes, exactly. 4. Like, eventually it's gonna be a party game. And these are all 3 CPUs and it's just acting dumb. Oh! and that's what I like about it. You can have like those chain reactions happening all the time. And there's potential there. There we go. Oof. They're not tracking the other player's hits. But it's there. I'm gonna get hit. Oof, I did. And it says that the other player won. It's not tracking if the... Reminds me of the original Mario Brothers. Yes. Yes. You know why? The idea is... the original Mario Brothers... Like, Mario Brothers, not Super Mario Brothers, right? So, you couldn't really attack your brother. But you could, like... There was a game, and I'm gonna find it, like Super Mario War. That is actually one of the key... there we go, this one. Oh, it's playable online. I'm gonna play it. It's one of the key inspirations and references. So, man, so many ads on this shitty site. So, controls are left and right. Controls for player 2 is WASD. Collect 15 coins. Choose your level. This is like the easy version. But, oh, it's like 2-player. There's a whole ass game with more features. And it's like, exactly. Oh, it's not the one I was looking for. No. There's one that is, it's this one. It's open source. Get Super Mario War. I'm gonna watch a video. There's gotta be a video. What short video? Shut up. I'm gonna mute this. Because it's probably gonna have like... There you go, shut up. And this is the one I'm talking about. So, are they actually gonna fight? Yeah. So the idea is... You have all the characters jumping around on platform challenges, and you just step on other characters, and then you win by that. This is a very, very busy screen, so I'm gonna look for another one. There we go, this one. Single screen battles, jumping on characters. That's how it rolls. This is exactly how, like, one of the references I was going for. If you look it up, Super Mario War, it's super fun. And of course, it's a fan game. It's free. You just look it up. You're gonna find a way to download it. Don't play the web version apparently because it sucks. But yeah, and that's it. So thank you for joining. Thank you for spending some time here. Thank you for rating, Julie. Thank you for the raters for staying. And yeah, you got to check out that link that I sent before. Give me a minute. It's going to be itch. And where's it? Punk. There we go. I'm going to put it on chat one last time. And in a couple of minutes, you're going to have build 10 live. That build is going to be the one that we were working on. So enjoy. Have a good one. And I'll see you all probably tomorrow. Probably going to stream tomorrow. Just bug fixing because everything in here is the only thing I'm working on. All right. All right. Have a good one. Bye, yo.